Welcome everyone. You've forgotten the PIN, password or pattern in your Samsung S25 Ultra and you want to factory reset the phone regardless. So in order to do this, the first step is we need to connect our phone to a Windows computer or a Mac computer. If you just connect your phone to the charging brick, the next steps won't work. We then need to enter recovery mode. So in recovery mode, we can factory reset the S25 Ultra and this will wipe the passcode off of the phone. So the instructions are as follows. I'll first show them, then we'll do them together. So we need to click and hold both power and volume down for 7 seconds, then we release. And then we press and hold power and volume up, and we'll keep on holding these two until we see recovery mode. So pause the video, prepare your phone. I will begin in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume down. Keep these two held down. Do not release. I'm going to start counting now. 5, 6, 7. Release power and volume down. Now press and hold power and volume up. And just keep these two held down until you see the recovery screen. If this isn't working, then you just need to check your cable supports data transfer. So try a different cable. Use a different computer. Try and plug into a different port. Alternatively, rewind the video and just make sure that you hold the buttons for the same duration I do. Now, if we are in recovery mode, the touchscreen is not working. So to navigate, we can click and release volume down to go down and click release volume up to go up. And then you click the power button to select your option. So what we're going to select is we're going to choose the wipe data / factory reset option. And then we'll click power button to select. And then we click volume down and then we click the power button to do the factory data reset. When that happens, you may be brought back to the home page of recovery mode. Just click the power button to reboot the system. It will start factory resetting S25 Ultra. Now, one important thing to know, when the factory reset is done, it will wipe all data. However, if you have an old Google account on the phone, you will need to re-enter that Google account, and that will allow you to use your S25 Ultra again, even if you forgot your pattern, password or PIN. Now, real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.